Introducing eFax by XMedia's Fax for Atlanta Public Schools. This electronic fax tool is available to use via every Xerox multifunction printer, the web, Outlook, and from your Start menu on your desktop. Let's take a look at the different methods available for you to fax. Now, let's take a look at another faxing option. From your desktop, click the Start menu, search All Programs, and look for XMedia's Fax. Click Send Fax. The first time you open Send Fax, the user setting box will appear. Simply click Finish. Also, the first time you open Send Fax, you will need to select the default cover sheet. You will need to fill in to and the destination or fax number. When faxing internally, simply key in the last 4 digits of the fax number you're faxing to. For example, if you are faxing to 404-802-1501, you would only key 1501. You will also need to fill in the subject. Then, click the blue right arrow to move your recipient information to the right box. If you need to add additional recipients, add them in the field and click the blue right arrow again. Next, click the paperclip to attach the file you would like to send. Notice a thumbnail preview of your file appears in the window at the left of your screen. Click the Send button to transmit your file. A status box will appear indicating your fax has been submitted for transmission. Click the Close button to continue. If your fax was successfully transmitted, you will receive an email stating your fax was successfully processed. XMedia's Fax will make several attempts to fax your document. However, if your fax is unsuccessful at transmitting, you will receive an email notifying you that the fax did not successfully transmit. Please troubleshoot the issue by double-checking that you have dialed the correct fax number, or if faxing externally, double-check that you have dialed 9 prior to the 10-digit numbers. If you are faxing long distance externally, double-check that you have dialed 9 1 plus the 10-digit number. Now let's take a moment to review sending a fax externally using SendFax. From the SendFax cover sheet, you will need to complete the to and destination or fax number. When faxing to an external number, you must key 9 and the 10-digit number that you are faxing to. Next, enter the subject. Once you have entered the subject, you will need to click the blue right arrow to move your recipient information to the right box. If you need to add additional recipients, add them in the to fields and click the blue right arrow again. Then click the paperclip to attach the file you wish to send. Notice that a thumbnail preview of your file appears at the left side of your screen. Click the Submit button to transmit your fax. And a status box will appear indicating your fax has been submitted for transition. Click the Close button to continue. If your fax was successful, the status will display operations were successfully processed. SendFax will try multiple times to send your fax. If your fax was not successful, SendFax will indicate an error occurred when sending your fax.